With over 80 specially developed baskets, the practice-optimized washing chamber of the MELAtherm 10 Evolution can be matched to the individual needs of a medical clinic. The use of flex baskets has proven to be especially suitable in surgical, orthopaedic, urological, and general medical clinics. The baskets provide sufficient space to decontaminate instruments in the MELAtherm 10 Evolution. Make sure that the hinged instruments are always slightly open. Stacking the flex baskets on 2 levels enables efficient use of the practice-optimized washing chamber of the MELAtherm 10 Evolution. For example, non-standard connections of endoscopes can be adapted using a rinse sleeve. Should the instrument be longer than 22 centimeters, please place it in a flex basket. Shorter instruments can be connected directly on the injector rail using adapters. Ensure that all channels of the instrument are rinsed in a reproducible way. Standard connections can be adapted using further accessories and hose extensions.